Mindset 4. Attitude determines altitude. Excellence is not about skill but attitude. In order to achieve seven-figure income, you'll have to banish excuses that get in the way. Even when you fail, don't lose hope. Keep striving ahead and do your best. In life, there are no failures, really, only lessons. Just like Albert Einstein, he didn't stop trying even after multiple failures and attempts, because he knew that it was through those failures that he would learn, grow, and never make the same mistake twice. To be a leader, you'll need to be a good role model to your team members. You'll need to develop good habits as a stepping stone to your personal and business success. And when it comes to hiring staff, hire those who display a good attitude as well. How do you know their attitude towards work when you first meet them, though? You'll be able to identify their attitudes through the small things like punctuality, manners, sense of urgency, or willingness to ask relevant questions. The small things sometimes say a lot about a person. Why is attitude so important, and how does attitude play a role in moving the company to a higher level? Well, how you do anything is how you'll do everything. A staff with a good attitude will do anything and everything with their best effort. And these are the kinds of employees that you should look for and surround yourself with to be in your company.